So hey everyone, first again I would say good morning to all of you who all are watching me right now. And as always, even I don't know what all kind of things am I going to show you in this vlog, but yes, the specific thing that I'm going to show you is actually yesterday I was watering in my corn crop and the part of my corn crop is left, so that is why also I'm going to show you and I'm going to teach you the sentences and whatever sentences will come related to my corn crop while watering in my crop. I will teach every English sentences so that in future if you want to speak, so that you will be able to speak English in next time. Now as you can see, this is my previous dress, you can say, yes, and with this dress I was watering and again I have put on the same dress because I don't want to get messy to my several dress, so that is why I want to get messy only this one. Now I am here outside from my house. Actually now I am going to my machine to start so that I can give water in my corn crop. Yes, and I want you to please watch this vlog completely so that you will get to know lots of English sentences related to English speaking. And now I have to cross this fence, so first I have to remove this bit of this fence to a side and then I have to cross, and then I am going through this corn crop. Actually here I am also afraid of getting water in my camera, so that is why now I am going to close this camera, okay, and otherwise my vlog will remain vlog. Finally I have started my machine, as you can see what have I made in my finger while starting the machine. Now I am here at this place, and this place it's like a forest. Now I am going to show you the background of here. As you can see, you can see the view of here, as you can see. And do you feel like I am afraid of anything? No, I have no afraid of anything. Yes. Okay, this part of the crop is full. Now I have to give the water in the next part. So hello guys, now I am here while taking rest or having rest, whatever you want you can use. But here I occurred a question. Actually yesterday one of you guys had commented me saying, Nakul, how long do you spend towards learning English? And he says, what do you do to improve your English? So the answer is, I dedicate 2 or 3 hours maximum every day towards learning English than listening, because I listening a lot. Actually, you know, I have to do a lots of work as a farmer son in my corn crop, so while doing work I love listening a lot. Yeah, so that is why whatever I watch or prepare about English, but listening is something that I do a lot. And now here you might have a question that, Nakul, what all channel you follow to improve your English? So from my opinion, I would say you should watch 2 or 3 channel as I watch. Actually I watch, there are 2 channel that I mostly watch. First one is Veronica ma'am and next is Aranita Lagringa. These are 2 channel which through I improve my fluency. But here I would say you don't watch this channel, otherwise you will messed up your English. So that is why I would say please, it will be good if you don't watch her videos, but if you watch sometimes if you want. But if you are beginner, I would say you shouldn't watch. So here what do I actually want to say? Actually I want to say here, watch a channel that are appropriate for your culture. Yeah. So here if I talk about you, yes, if I talk about you, you should watch from within, that which kind of personality you are, I mean in which culture you are from, you come from. So which kind of news channel you should watch. As for example, if you are a villager boy, then you should watch, yes, my video obviously, because I am also a villager boy and I think there is no any YouTube channel that are teach this kind of things, right? So that is why watch the channel that are appropriate for your culture, and in this way little by little you are gonna familiar with English. Yes, so that is why I would say please watch the channel that are appropriate for your culture. Yes, but otherwise if you watch a random channel that are advanced learner, then you might demotivate, right? You might demotivate. So that is why I would say please watch the channel that are appropriate for your culture. Means if you are a villager, then you should watch my videos. Yes, that's true. See what my father got is, although I don't like eating biscuit at all, but I have to eat them forcibly. because lunch will come very late, so that is why I have to eat. Now here I have a question for you. Do you guys love biscuit? If you guys love, please let us know in the comment below. Or if you guys love any specific biscuit, so please let us know in the comment its name. I love to know its name. And there is one left biscuit. And actually this biscuit of mine I want to share to birds, but here is nothing. But here is no any bird so that I can eat them. Do you guys know the name of this tool? If you guys know, please let us know in the comment below, because even I don't know why this is called in English, but yes, as you know why I use this, or you can say is it used for if you want to turn water quickly, then it will help you. As you can see, it's through I can turn water in a quickly. This is my crop, this is another, and this is my uncle's, and I am here. Okay, let's come to check out the oil of machine. Now I am going to check out the oil of the machine, if it has oil or not. This is called tube. Okay, so finally I have done to water in my crop, and finally, as you can see, now I am next to the machine. As you can see, I have turned off my machine, you can say, and it's time to fold this pipe. And by the way, I have other type of pipe, and all those tools I have to collect here, and then some of the tools is for others. After getting here, I have to take them to his home. Yes, I am feeling too tedious because of this waste pipe. Actually, I know how to got on the tree, so that is why I just got on the tree and I got plucked some jujube, as you can see on my hand, and it's too good and it's tasty, it's so delicious, yes, to be honest. And now I'm going to eat them. Really, its taste is delicious. By the way, do you guys love jujube? If yes, please let us know in the comment by saying yes and or no. Actually, I am retelling after reaching someone's pipe. Yes, now I am not gonna speak English in front of the camera or anything in front of the camera, because people will make fun of me if they are seeing. Guys, there are some people who is going to pack rats. Yes. Guys, I am feeling sleepy, so that is why I have slept on this what. First you let me know, then I will tell you. This is called cot, C-O-T, cot, not C-U-T, cot, but the sound is similar. Cot and cot sound is similar, and even cot, C-A-U-G-S-T, cot. These are three words that are sound is completely same and the meaning is completely different, and these kind of words called homophones. Yes, H-O-M-E-P-H-O-N-S, homophones. Yes, these kind of words are called homophones. Always remember. Guys, really I am feeling sleepy. Guys, after having rest in the cot while sleeping, and now I am going to home. Actually, I have some equipment. Actually, I couldn't take them to home, so that is why now I am taking them to home. So hey guys, after fresh off, now I am getting bored in my home, so that is why now I am going to my friend's house to play song any, just fun. And one of my friend is working with his brother. So now I got a call from my Jizu, and he says, Nakul, I am going to Nepal and you come Thakurganj to get my bike. So that is why now I have to go to Thakurganj to get his bike. So now I just dressed up, as you can see. As I told you, now I am to go to Thakurganj to get my bike. Finally I have. Hey guys, now I just went to the Thakurganj and also got the bike from my Jizu. Yes. So now it's time to get my cattle, so that is why right now I am going towards river in the pasture to get my cattle. Yes. Hey. Actually I am going through corn, cause I have forgot to get my slippers, so that is why Now I am going to get my slippers first. Finally I have put on my slippers, as you can see. Actually, while doing work here in my crop, I have forgot. So that is why I thought why not to get today. So that is why I have come here to get. Okay guys, I think that's all for today's vlog, because here is nothing special to show you, and even I don't want to show you the same thing in my every single video. So that is why I want to stop this video, or you can, or I can say in other way, I don't want to stress this vlog longer. And as well as the sun is getting dark, as you can see the sun is about to set. So that is why I think, and here in front of me there are some people who have come here to play cricket. So now I'm going to show you closely, as you can see, but I'm not gonna speak in front of him in English, because otherwise they will make fun of me. So that is why guys, I think I should stop this recording. So that's all for today guys, and I hope you liked it. If you yes, then you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of vlogs. So that's all.